Under a clear sky and calm wind, an F-16 Fighting Falcon fighter jets stood firmly on the runway, poised with vigilance. Its sleek, aerodynamic body reflected the sunlight, casting silver and gray glimmers from its military camouflage paint. Around it, military ground vehicles and technicians moved with high discipline, wearing bright orange vests and ear protection. The aircraft looked like a metallic eagle waiting for the command to soar silent, intense, yet deadly. Its sharp wingtips carried air-to-air missiles, while the underbelly was fitted with external fuel tanks and mission-specific equipment. Every component of the jet seemed to speak of efficiency and battle-proven power. The atmosphere surrounding the jet was intense but controlled. Two marshals stood near the nose of the aircraft, signaling with precise hand movements to the pilot inside the cockpit, ensuring all procedures ran smoothly. Inside the compact yet high-tech cockpit, the pilot wore an advanced helmet equipped with an oxygen mask and visor, eyes locked forward in full concentration. Digital instruments blinked to life as avionics systems came online, ready for operation. The pilot ran final checks on navigation, radar and comms while receiving instructions from the distant control tower over a static-filled radio line. Every second counted, and every protocol was executed with absolute precision. The General Electric of 110 turbofan engine at the rear began to roar, producing a deep growl like a beast awakening from slumber. The growl rose to a thunderous roar as the throttle advanced, shaking the runway surface and warping the air behind the jet from the heat. The distinct smell of burning jet fuel filled the air, signaling that raw power was about to be unleashed. The runway stretched long and straight ahead, like a launch path into the unknown. In the tower, the air traffic controller gave the green light. The sky was now open for the Falcon. With a swift, fluid motion, the F-16 accelerated down the tarmac, trailing thin smoke and whipping up gusts that made the grass on the sidelines tremble. Its speed increased rapidly within seconds. The wheels screeched, then lifted as the jet climbed at a sharp angle, blasting into the sky with afterburners igniting in a fiery orange blaze. In a blink, the fighter vanished into the vast blue, a small silhouette challenging the limits above. Below, the ground crew resumed their routine, preparing for the next jet. But for a brief moment, everyone knew a powerful force had just taken flight, racing into the unknown, carrying both hope and peril across the open skies. The F-16 Fighting Falcon combat jet stood poised at the edge of the runway, its sleek aerodynamic frame gleaming under the morning sun. The engine roared to life as the pilot pushed the throttle forward, activating the afterburner that blasted a fiery orange plume from the exhaust. Thin trails of smoke curled into the air, signaling the immense thrust building within the turbofan engine. The atmosphere around the aircraft was tense but electric, with anticipation technicians in reflective vests and communication headsets lined the runway, giving final signals before the aircraft began its takeoff. Slowly, the nose wheel lifted off, followed by the main landing gear, and within seconds, the F-16 shot skyward at high speed, leaving behind a streak of vapor and a trail of thunderous sound. This takeoff was more than just routine. It was a demonstration of power, precision, and absolute dedication within the realm of military aviation. Inside the cockpit, the pilot leaned back against the force of acceleration, eyes scanning the instruments with razor-sharp focus. At over 240 kilometers per hour, the F-16 climbed steeply, showcasing its incredible agility and responsiveness. On the ground, air traffic controllers monitored every move through radar and radio, ensuring the mission unfolded flawlessly. Every detail, from fuel calculations to timing, was synchronized with military precision, making this takeoff a clear reflection of professionalism and combat readiness. In the sky, the F-16 quickly assumed its formation or began its predetermined flight path, whether for a combat drill, air patrol, or a strategic operation. From below, its silhouette seemed small, but the power it carried was immense. Air-to-air missiles, smart bombs, and advanced avionics capable of detecting and engaging targets from long distances. The echoes of its engine's ignition and the soft thud of the landing gear holding into the fuselage still lingered for those watching. The sight of an F-16 taking off is always dramatic and awe-inspiring reminder of air superiority, cutting-edge technology, and the unwavering courage of the pilots who fly it.
You are for the air attack. Thanks. Bank 1, in heading 170. Bank 1, cleared up. Yeah, maintain 10,000 and depart to the east. Mission ground commander to 10 men, mission successful. Thanks for the work, guys. I appreciate it, thanks very much. Have a nice weekend, say hello to everybody for us, and we'll see you next time. Requesting Mark 82 is their target. Airpower 1, flight 6.